Welcome, dear friends, to this mindful expect journey in a world that moves fast. Let the moment be slow. As you listen, take a deep breath. Feel the calm, feel the calm of the season settle into your heart. Today, we will explore how decorating your home can become a form of meditation, peaceful, creative, and healing. Together, we will turn all forgotten things into something new, meaningful, and full of light. X-Max, it's not just about lights or glitter, it's about warmth, kindness, and togetherness. Mindful decorating reminds us to enjoy each detail, from tying ribbon to placing ornaments with awareness and love. When your hands move slowly, your heart opens quietly. Now let's talk about recycling. Why recycling matters for the soul. Recycling is not only good for nature, it's medicine for the mind. When we reuse old things, we practice gratitude. We see value in what others might throw away. And what reflection heals something deep within us. A broken ornament can be painted anew. A piece of cardboard can become a star. An old jar can glow again. Nothing is wasted. Not even our effort, our memories, our moment. Take an old glass jar, clean it gently, wrap it with jute, string or lace. Something soft, natural, comforting. Add a candle or a small fairy light inside. As the light shines, remember, peace always begins in small spaces. You don't need luxury to feel joy, you only need light, warmth, and intention. You only need light, warmth, and intention. Step outside, find a few pine cones under a tree. Wash and dry them, then paint their tips with a bit of white, like snowflakes. Resting on nature's gift, you can tie them with ribbons or use them as table decoration. Each pine cones can represent a blessing, one for peace, one for love, one for health. Mindful crafting is about meaning, not perfection. Did you know that creative crafting lowers stress and improves mental focus? When we create, our brain releases dopamine, the feel good chemical. It's like nature's way to saying, slow down, you are doing well. Making something with your hands helps you stay present, especially during the busy holiday rush. Every brush stroke, every note, every detail bring a sense of purpose. That's the gift of mindful art. Health wrapped in creativity. If you have old wooden spoons, pieces of cardboard, scraps, or scrap wood, don't throw them away. Makes you can turn them into rustic angel stars or X-Mix trees. X-Mix trees, some add some cork, wooden piece, and natural touches like jute or even cinnamon sticks. The scent of cinnamon and wood brings comfort and nostalgia. It reminds us of warmth and home. Mindful crafting allows your memories to live again through art. In the calm philosophy, and take in old jars, finally DIY ideas, the wall of wishes. Take old paper ribbons or leftover X-Mix cards. Cut them into small tags and write down your wishes for the year. Not material ones, but emotional ones. Peace, forgiveness, patience, gratitude. Hang them on a small branch or pin them on a cardboard. This wall of wishes becomes a living artwork, a daily reminder of your mindful goals. As this mindful X makes sessions to a close look around your space, the recycled pieces now glow with love, not just from the large but from your effort. You have turned simplicity into serenity, and that is the true spirit of X-Max. So may your heart stay light, your home stay calm, and your creativity keep flowing. Remember, what you create with care stay forever.